Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type the application name, right click on it and just simply click on uninstall. Then it will open a new window. Select that application and just click on uninstall. In the next step, go to search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Open apps tab, go to apps and features, and from here you can just select the application or program. Click on these three dots and click on uninstall. And the last step is again go to search bar, type control panel, click here to open it, then go to programs, then programs and features, and from here also you can just select the program and click on uninstall. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.